About 10 days ago, I called the whole of government and we agreed that we must live within our means. We're going to reduce our budget from 4.2 trillion down to 3.7 trillion so that we can live within our means. You know what? The Bible says in John 8:32, you shall know the truth, and the truth will do what? Will set you free. We must be honest with ourselves. We must tell each other the truth. And the truth is, we must live within our means. We mind about them. We value the service they give to our nation, but we must live within our means. The resources we have are only sufficient to pay 70,000 shillings for intern doctors. It is not a salary, it is a stipend for only 1 year, and then they will be employed. And we want all our doctors, all our doctor interns to be taken in, and that is why we are going to spend the resources that we have to make sure all the 1,500 plus or minus doctors, all of them are absorbed at once, and we have the resources to make sure that they are absorbed at what we have offered as government, because as a nation, we must live within our means. And we are going to have a bigger conversation. We got rid of subsidies. We instead funded our production. Today, we are seeing the fruits that we have food in our country. The prices of food items have come down. Our dollar situation has improved. Even fuel situation has improved because we have made the right decisions. I will continue the path of making the right decisions for our country, because you can never be wrong if you make the right decisions.
Solidarity forever.